Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can make the cinematic 2.35 crop for your video in Adobe Premiere 2019, and it's really simple. So I have a clip here. Now I want to make the cinematic look, so I will click on it. I will go to sequence settings, and now what I recommend, choose not cinema, but go to custom. When you are in a custom, now I'm going to show you a folder, a notepad. So if you're in a 4K, choose this resolution, 2K this resolution, 1080 this one, and we have 1080, so we are going with this one. And if you have quality 720, go with this resolution, 1280 to 5455. And now I'm going to change it 1090 to 870. Yep, it's loading, and look at that, amazing. And we have right now the nice cinematic 235 crop resolution. So this is how we did. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support this channel with subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you very much everybody, and bye bye.